In this video we're going to have a look at working out fractions and percentages from shaded diagrams. So here we've got a diagram. It's been split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal pieces. So if we were looking for the fraction that was shaded, the diagram has been split into 10 equal pieces. So it's going to be something out of 10. And shaded we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 shaded out of 10, and that's written 6 out of 10 as a fraction. Now you've got to look really closely at these questions, because sometimes, for example on a GCSE paper, if they're worth 2 marks, it might say in its simplest form. And that means that you need to cancel that fraction down if possible. So 6 tenths, looking for a number that goes into 6 and into 10, well 2 will go into both of those. 2 goes into 6 3 times and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So our final answer would be 3/5. It might have asked for the unshaded area, or the unshaded fraction on the diagram. So in that case, well, if we've got 6 of the shaded, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are unshaded. So there, that would be 4 tenths, or 4 out of 10, which would cancel down to, well, 2 will go into both of those, 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 10 5 times. And you should notice that these two fractions, 3/5 and 2/5, adds up to 5/5, which is 1/1, which is what we should expect. When we've counted shaded and unshaded, we should have counted the whole diagram. Now if you wanted this as a percentage, this could be fairly straightforward, because at the moment we've got 6 out of 10 shaded. Now percentages are out of 100, so let's change that into a fraction out of 100. We need to multiply by 10, because 10 times 10 is 100, so we need to do the same to the top number. 6 times 10 is 60, so it's 60 out of 100, or 60% that's shaded. The unshaded area would be 4 out of 10, so changing that to something out of 100. Again multiplying by 10, 4 times 10 is 40, 40 out of 100 is 40%. Let's have a look at another one. So same sort of idea here. First of all, let's count how many boxes we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're looking for out of 20 here. So if we look at shaded first, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shaded out of 20. Remember, we should always try and cancel that down if we can. So a number that goes into 12 and into 20 is 2. So 2 will go into 12 6 times, and 2 will go into 20 10 times. Now we're not quite finished, because we can get 2 in again. So 2 will go into 6 3 times, 2 will go into 10 5 times, 3/5, which incidentally is the same as the last question. So although the diagram's a little bit bigger and a bit different, it's the same fraction that's shaded in. If we looked at unshaded, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unshaded out of 20. If we cancel that down, 2 will go into both of those, 2's into 8 will go in 4 times, 2's into 20 will go in 10 times, and again 4 tenths. 2 will go into both of those, 2's into 4 twice, 2's into 10 5. And if we're looking at percentage, we've got 12 out of 20 that are shaded. To change that into out of 100, so to get from 20 to 100 we'd need to times by 5, so I need to do the same with the top number to give me 60 out of 100, 60%, and for unshaded 8 out of 20, so to get to 100 we're timesing by 5. 8 times 5 is 40, so it's 40%.